All right, guys, so today we're going to talk about how to make your Instagram instantly more attractive and founder level. Most guys don't understand that their Instagram is basically their first impression today. Before a woman meets you, even if you match with her online, she's going to check your page. And nowadays, even if you approach a woman in real life, she's going to want to see how your online presence looks like. And that doesn't mean that your Instagram needs to be perfect and super well curated. Like, it's about clarity and it's about simplicity. Your Instagram should show who you are, how you live, and the kind of vibe you naturally have. When a woman checks your page, she's asking herself these three questions. Number one, who is this guy? Number two, how does his life look like? And number three, does he seem cool? Is his life interesting? How would it feel to be part of his life? That's it. If your Instagram answers those three questions clearly, then you're good. Now, your grid needs these 5 types of photos. Now, number one is you need a clean photo of you. Not too close up, not smiling too much, and you don't want to also be posing too hard. Like, you want to look like you're living your life and someone is taking a shot of you. So you don't want to be overposed, like just normal. Now, you also need a lifestyle shot, number two. So maybe you at the gym, you training, you traveling, you at a cafe, like just a lifestyle shot. Now, number three is you need one social photo, maybe with a group of friends, with a group of girls, you doing an activity with people around you. You can incorporate that into a carousel, for example, and that would look great. Maybe you're on a boat with some friends, or it's a boat party or a pool party or whatever. Maybe you're on a rooftop. Try to have that social photo. Now, number four is you want to have a photo with something that you're good at, maybe a skill that you have. Maybe you want to show how you work, or you want to show that you have a business, or that you're good at some craft. Maybe you've mastered a specific martial art or a sport, and you can showcase that. If you're golfing, for example, you can take a photo of you golfing, if you're a great golfer. Or if you're doing boxing, maybe you showcase yourself doing a few rounds, I don't know, something like that. So you showcase a hobby or something you're good at. Now, number five is you need to have one personal vibe shot. So that means a skyline shot, a city shot, a food shot, or something aesthetic, you know? For example, I took a photo earlier with those Petronas towers. That's a good personal vibe type of shot. And this alone is gonna make your page a lot more balanced, and you're gonna look a lot more grounded and interesting. Now, you want to avoid these 5 things that are going to kill your vibe on Instagram. These are going to instantly lower attraction. Number one, too many selfies. Stop taking selfies. Unless maybe it's a story, don't post selfies on your main grid. Number two, you have no photos showing your lifestyle. You only have random photos of you, or photos that are too close up, and there's nothing communicated to these pictures about you. Also, number three, you want to avoid like some weird memes. I know some coaches out there say you need to post memes consistently and joke around all the time, but it's cool sometimes on your story if it's something fun, but don't make it your whole personality on Instagram. Now, number four, flexing or trying too hard. That's a big mistake as well. Like, don't try to pose in front of Lambos or in front of cars all the time, because it's too try hard. Like, you're just leading with money and you're attracting the wrong women. It looks like you have something to prove and it doesn't look confident. Also, number five, avoid not posting anything for months. Like, I see so many guys, they post once every year or once every 6 months, and that's too much. You want to keep people in the loop and you want to keep things fresh. I would say you want to post at least once a month, or minimum once every 2 months. Once every 4 to 8 weeks, you want to at least post something. Ideally, once every 2 weeks, like, you want to post something. And your story, you want to keep your story active as well. Now, I would also argue that your stories show your personality more than posts. Sometimes they're more important than posts, because stories show who you are today, not yesterday, not a year ago, not 3 years ago, like today. So I'm going to give you good story ideas. Number one, stories of you working out at the gym, training. Number two, stories of you working. Maybe you on your laptop working somewhere at a coffee shop or something like that. Number three, maybe stories of you walking outside in a park or enjoying like a nice view or a nice rooftop. Number four, share something funny, something that you found fun, you just repost it. Next, maybe something also where you're in a nice cafe or you're with friends as well. That shows a bit your lifestyle and your social life. You don't need to talk all the time, by the way, on your stories. You can just post lifestyle shots. Now, also, one thing that you want to have is you want to have highlights. Highlights are basically the little circles that you have on your profile, just on top of your main grid. And those are basically stories that you're going to save for people to watch later. And you can have categories. You can name your highlights a certain way. So, for example, in one of my Instagrams, I have highlights with the cities that I've been to. Now, you can do categories of highlights, maybe a highlight for fitness, a highlight for travel, a highlight for work, a highlight for daily life, a highlight for personal moments. But you should have highlights, because without highlights, your profile is going to feel like empty and your profile is going to lack soul a bit. Now, number 6, clothing matters. Like, your style matters on Instagram. How you dress matters, because people are going to judge you on that. So you should have clean fits, good lighting, natural grooming. You should look good and try to dress well, have different outfits. Don't wear the same thing all the time. You don't need designer clothes. You just need to look intentional, and it needs to fit you. Now, also on Instagram, you need to show that you live with purpose. Women want a man who lives with purpose. If your Instagram shows that you take care of your life, that you're into that personal development journey, that you're sharing some wisdom, that you're reflecting, that you're constantly growing, then they're going to be a lot more inclined to meet you in real life. Because the thing is that women bet on horses. They're betting on you. They're betting on a future you. If they don't see the potential for growth, then they're not going to be willing or interested to further continue that relationship with you. So you need to show that you're a man on a mission. You need to show that you're constantly grinding towards a better future. So in any case, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to learn more about how you can not only improve your online presence, but also attract and date high quality women consistently without wasting your time, then check out the link in the description. There's a video that shows you exactly how my method works. And there's also a link to book a call with myself or my team, so we can implement that directly into your life right now, so you can get the results you want within the next few weeks. Or you can also check the pinned comment. You can check my Instagram as well, at Limo Oueslati. You can DM me the word system there, and I will send you all my frameworks. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave a comment, and I'll see you very, very soon.